Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss variables present in Python programming language. First of all, what is a variable? Variable is a container which will contain or store a value. For example, in your math session, whenever we are having to add two numbers, so for example, always we are going to take a temporary variable x to which we are going to assign some value 2, and then we are going to take a variable value name as y to which we are going to assign value as 3, and then we are going to do addition x plus y. So here in your normal school days, that when we were adding two values, always we are not going to write 2 plus 3 directly. What we are going to do, we are going to assign 2 to a name x, 3 to a alphabet y, and then we are going to do addition. So similarly in Python, this x and y are called as a variable which is going to contain something for you to solve your question by using Python programming language. So what is a variable? It is nothing but a contain which will contain some value. So here x is containing value 2, y is containing value 3. Now what is the syntax of writing variable in Python? It is similar to your normal pen and paper method. Here x is equal to 2 is also the syntax of writing variable in Python. So directly I can write x is equal to 2 without having any semicolon or without having any data type which is needed to write variable declaration in C, C++ or Java. So in Python it is very easy to write or to declare, to initialize any variable in Python. So only the name of the variable equal to sign and the value that which we want to assign. For example, a is equal to 2. There is no need to have semicolon, or I can have multiple variable x comma y comma z to which I want to assign value as 4. So this indicate what? X is equal to y is equal to z is nothing but 4. The 4 will be assigned to x also, y also, to or z also. So I can assign to a single variable, I can assign to the multiple variable by using the single assignment expression, or I can assign any name, any string I can assign. For example, y is equal to, within the quotation I can assign the string. I can assign any floating point number. Same thing, same method that we were doing by using pen and pen method. No need to put any semicolon here, no need to declare any data type here. So it is very simple to declare variable in Python programming language. And the name that you want to write, for example x and y and z, whatever you want, can be very short like x y z a b c, or can be more descriptive. For example, if you want to find the area of the square, I can directly write area, or I can give the name of your variable as area of the square, but in between I cannot have spaces. I cannot write this thing area of square. So sub limitation is there. This is the method that we were writing by solving the formula by calculating the area of the square. This is the normal pen and paper method. So only what I can do, in Python I have to combine them by putting the underscore. Okay, that means there are some rules that we have to follow for writing the name of the variable. So what are the name? What are the rules? The name must be, the name can start with the letter. The name is start with the letter, or it can also start with the underscore. So I can have the area, instead of that I can have underscore also, but it cannot start with a digit. So a name, your variable name can start with the letter or can start with the underscore. So the example I my name and underscore my name. Cannot start with a number. That means 8 my name is not a valid variable name. It can be your digit number can be added at the end. My number 8 is also correct, my 8 number is also correct. That means your name, variable name, cannot start with a number. Now what are the second rule? All the this thing, uppercase and lowercase characters are allowed. Capital letter are also allowed, and small letter a b c are also allowed till z. Digits are also allowed for writing your variable name, and underscore is also allowed. We cannot use colon, we cannot use semicolon, we cannot use any other special character for declaring the variable name. And the third thing is the variables are case sensitive. Suppose I have declared variable name as my, in a lower case, and while using again I am writing in capital letters, so that time it will going to give you some error.